Hi, my name is Bela Kaul. I work at Waltham Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make puri. It's one of the Indian bread. There are so many Indian bread. There's parantha, puri, naan. But today I'm going to show you how to make puri. It's like a frying dough. And the best part is it needs only 5 ingredients. So we need 2 cups of whole wheat flour and 1 teaspoon of oil, and we have salt, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of carom seeds. Carom seed is very good. It digests all the food you eat. Like sometimes you feel you have eaten so much, you're very heavy, you can have it half a teaspoon with a glass of water and just swallow it, and you'll see the magic. Your stomach ache, everything will be gone. So this will use, and 1 cup of water. So what we have to do, we'll put carom seed in it, and salt, half a teaspoon, and then we'll put 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use olive oil or regular, and then we'll mix it nicely. You can make a dough, you can use a food processor or a dough machine, or by hands, whatever you are comfortable with. So mix it nicely first, and then we'll start putting water very slowly, a little bit at a time. This is my favorite. Puri is one of my favorites. It's a little bit unhealthy, a little oily, but it tastes very good. You can eat with anything, any curry, Indian curry, and tastes good. Or you can make a roll of, put some vegetables in it or meat in it and roll it and eat it with it like that too. It should not be soft, it should be a little stiffy hard. Almost done. So when it's ready, what you have to do, you have to put a little wet paper towel or cheesecloth, moist, and put on top. Just a little more water. I did say 1 cup, but sometimes it depends on how the flour is. Some flours take much water, some little, but you have to see the texture of the dough. Okay, it's all done. So what we do, we put a moist paper towel, which I'm gonna get one. Okay, a little moist paper towel and put on top of it. Just leave it like that for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that we'll start making the puri. Hi, I'm back. So the dough is ready. Let's see. It's really moist and soft. And now we have to make little portions out of it, like 1.5 inch. I'll just make a couple of them. I have some already made there. Make a little, round them in your palm, and once they are ready, so what we'll do with the rolling pin, you roll it up to approximately 3.5 inches of round. And on the other side, I have oil ready. It's pretty hot. It should be hot oil. That's why the puris will come up very nicely and puffy. And when you're making it, you should make like 5-6. Roll them 5-6 at the same time. And while frying them, it's easier to, they come out very quickly. And you should eat them while it's very hot and puffy. They taste good. Okay, we can make, we have 4 ready, Let's start frying them. You can use a tortilla machine also. Some people do use that for make puris. You don't have to roll them. Okay, so they are ready. I'm going to put them very carefully. You have to be very careful and put them, and we'll see how puffy they'll come out. And so yummy. Okay, there you come. Them carefully turn over, and yes, you can just take them out. Put them on a paper towel on the side, and put the second one also very carefully. And put a little oil on it. Nice, with the color of light brown. And I have a couple more ready. Slowly. Put oil on it a little bit. Splash the oil. That makes it puffy. It's only if your oil is not hot, they won't puff. So the oil should be pretty hot. And comes out quickly. And we can make one more. Okay. Once they puff, then you can flip them carefully. And they're very light. You can eat like 5, 6 at the same time. And then turn the stove off at this time. So the puris are ready. How nice and puffy they look, and beautiful color, light brown. And you can eat with curry, any Indian curry, or you can put a little chicken or vegetables in between and eat them. And they are very, very, if you break them, they're very puffy and very soft, very soft. You can fold it, very soft. So enjoy and have fun with puris. And next time I'll come with different dish. And you can get all the materials from the Patel brothers from Moody Street. And make sure you get carom seed. They're very, very good. Thank you. Bye-bye.